celebrating love and friendship. It signals winter's end and spring's approach, symbolizing renewal, reflection, and hope for the new beginnings. We have curated a selection of top 20 drone stories from the month of February, only for you. Hi, I am Polumi, your guide to the latest updates from Drone Helpline. Type certification news. This month, 6 drones got DGCA type certifications till now. Pratham Small UAS by Karman Drones Private Limited, Krishi-EL Medium UAS by Eldyne Innovations Private Limited, Neptune UAV 2 Small UAS by Neptune Aerotech Private Limited, Spraycopter Medium UAS by Sooryauday Aerial Vehicles Private Limited, Airavat-X UAS by Skylink Aerotech Private Limited, and Beta 610 Medium UAS by Syfero Synergetics Drone Solutions. AeroIndia 2025 highlights. AeroIndia 2025, Asia's premier aerospace and defense exhibition, held at Yelahanka Air Force Station in Bengaluru from February 10th to 14th. AKSI Aerospace Group and Fixer Global announced a strategic agreement to manufacture drones in India valued at up to Rs 85 crores. Adani Defence and Aerospace, in collaboration with the DRDO, unveiled a vehicle-mounted counter-drone system. Scandrain introduced the Cargo Max 20K at sea, touted as the nation's most powerful cargo drone with a capacity of 200 kg. Tata Elxsi and Garuda Aerospace signed an MOU to establish a center of excellence for UAV design and development. Aster Defence introduced the Chakra Trap, a handheld anti-drone system designed to neutralize unauthorized drones. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited showcased its combat air teaming system, CATS Warrior, an advanced unmanned wingman drone designed to support Indian fighter pilots. Forge introduced the Netra 5, an advanced UAV designed to enhance defense and security operations. Garuda Aerospace unveiled the MV-1000 Amaran, the advanced rocket launcher drone. German defense company Hensoldt signed 2 significant MOUs with Indian firms, Samtel Avionics and Rafe Ankle. Red Dot Skybot signed an MOU with Hindustan Institute of Technology and Science, HITS, in Kanchipuram. News from the government sector. India and the United States have formalized a strategic defense partnership to co-produce advanced autonomous naval systems, including sea drones, gliders, and surveillance technologies. India's first drone centers of excellence under the Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana has been launched in Odisha's Kalahandi district in collaboration with IG Drones. A large scale of drone survey was conducted to cover 6,116 villages within the Nagpur division under the Swamitva Yojana. The National Highways Authority of India has approved the acquisition of 2 high-tech drones to enhance the security on the Delhi-Mumbai Expressway. The Maharashtra State Board of Secondary and Higher Secondary Education will deploy drones to monitor sensitive examination centers during the upcoming HSC and SSC exams. News from the defense sector. In Devgarh Badia Daud, State Police used a drone to seize 790.4 kg of cannabis worth Rs 79.04 lakhs. Ayan Autonomous Systems Private Limited and of Fleet RF Private Limited won the Meher Baba Competition 2, organized by the Indian Army. Eagletronics Aviations Private Limited has introduced a drone-based network-in-box NIB system tailored for the Indian defense sector. The Indian Army has cancelled contracts worth over Rs 230 crore for procuring 400 drones meant for deployment along the line of actual control in eastern Ladakh for using Chinese origin components. Saga Defense Engineering has partnered with Israel Aerospace Industries to introduce the point-blank precision strike missile to the Indian defense sector. Collaborations and funding. WB Electronics India signed an MOU with Larsen and Tobro to jointly develop advanced autonomous drone technologies. Zen Technologies Limited acquired a 51% stake in Vector Technics and secured a 45.33% stake in Bhairav Robotics. Asteria Aerospace Limited collaborated with Drone Destination to develop international opportunities in UAV services and sales. Dreamfly Innovations raised Rs 12 crore in seed funding led by Avana Capital and Sunicon Ventures. Indian drone industry. Redox Skybots has signed an MOU with NPR College of Engineering and Technology in Dindigul, Tamil Nadu to establish a drone center of excellence. Garuda Aerospace has announced a Rs 100 crore investment to establish India's first drone city in collaboration with the Ministry of Civil Aviation. Airavat-X Spray 16 has become the first Indian agricultural drone to receive export clearance from DGFT. Redon Systems presented the multi-barrel loitering munition system Bishan and Achuk at exercise Topshi held at the Artillery School in Deolali. For more such amazing facts about drones all over the world, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel and keep watching Drone Helpline.